What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to install and set up Steam on your Mac. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your Mac, open up your favorite browser and navigate to store.steampirate.com. On this page, click on Install Steam, and on the next page, click on Install Steam again. This will start the Steam installer download. Your browser can help you find your downloaded files, and then double-click the Steam installer file, where you're required to drag and drop the Steam application into your Applications folder. After doing so and starting up Steam, the launcher will start downloading the latest update and install it to your system. In the meantime, you can drag and drop the Steam installer to your bin. The Steam launcher will open up automatically after installing the latest update, and you'll be required to log in using your Steam account credentials. In most cases, you'll be asked to enter your Steam Guard code to get access to your account when using a new PC or a different network connection. In case you're unable to open apps and files downloaded from the internet, then open up your system settings. In the Privacy and Security section, make sure to set the Allow Applications Downloaded From option to Anywhere. You may have to relaunch the application to open it up. Now that Steam is installed, I suggest taking a look at your Steam settings to prevent any kind of issues in the future. Click on Steam in your menu bar and select Preferences. In the in-game section of your settings, enable the Steam overlay while in-game if you intend on using it. Below, set the correct overlay shortcut keys. I like to use the Steam in-game FPS counter, as I'm not required to use another application or the game itself to display my frame rate. This can help a lot in troubleshooting performance issues for games on your Mac. Next, navigate to the interface section of your settings. Here, choose the correct language, and below, disable the Run Steam when my computer starts option, which will otherwise always start up Steam and use up your network connection and resources. Under Library, make sure to enable the Low Performance Mode option if you encounter performance issues, such as lag, while using Steam and browsing your Steam library. Next, in the Download section, set the download region to the closest server to you. I like to set a bandwidth limit of the Steam downloads to around 5 to 8,000 kilobytes per second, and disable downloads while in-game. After applying your settings changes, head over to your Steam library and click on this Apple icon to only show games that run on macOS. A list of the most popular macOS games available on Steam will be in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.